Hey, what's good? It's Jax, and welcome to the Jaxsology Network. Now, y'all know the drill. I would so appreciate you if you would subscribe my channel. Take the time out, like this video, share it with your friends, share it with your family, okay? Today, we are going to open up something that I just got from Amazon. I love these titles for some of these products on Amazon. They make me laugh all the time. This is a universal cell phone, lazy bracket cell
phone holder for bed, travel card, back seat, flexible long arm neck holder for mobiles, tablets, all smartphones in black. Okay?
So let's get right to the goods. It comes like this. There's some stuff in here. Let's move this puppy along, shall we? So let's open up the little faux velvet bag and see what we have here. This is what it looks like in the pouch. There are no directions. So in other words, you're saying that a monkey could put it together, right? This is the mount for the phone or a tablet. It does hold a tablet, which is really cool. You just unflex it and fold it any way you want to hold it. This is how it mounts, just like this. This has to be completely unscrewed. Wait, the ball's not going down. There we go, snapping. These plastic things, you don't want to snap too hard, but it's the ring on the outside that is making it difficult. Put the ring on this side of the ball, because guess what? You can't outsmart me. I'm going to figure this out. Pop the ball in, and then, yeah, there we go. See, I'm doing this so you can see how much time, effort, and sweat you're going to have to put into it. That feels good. Feels good. It moves. It rotates. Yeah, I have another device. Can you hold? So this one has, I call it electronic elastic, okay? Let's see if it will fit over my case without breaking. I'm a little nervous. I get weird about plastic things because you don't want to break the piece. It fit though. It fit over my case. That's nice. So you're supposed to be able to do this. Put it behind your neck. Like I'm getting ready to sit in a dentist chair or something. Oh, wait a minute. No, hold on. I could see me in bed. Like, wait, but it's kind of close. It's a little close. I kind of like my phone. Oh, wait, I can stretch it a little bit. Oh, yeah, okay, that's not bad. Okay. I can use my thumbprint. I can get to everything I need. I can walk around the kitchen, you know, feeding the dogs treats. I kind of like this. I could read my big brother up. I don't like this. Okay, this I don't like. How does it feel? Weird. But it's actually not that bad. Let's try this. Oh, okay, now for movie viewing, it gets a little heavier in the landscape mode. I think with some adjustment, the closer you do it to your neck, the further away the device gets. This is weird, but this is not the only use. I don't know, my iPad Air should get in there. Do I want to try that right now? No. For you, you know, I'll do anything for you, baby, anything. See, you can set it on a table, and let's say you're cooking and you have your device here. You can read your recipe. You can also use it on the back seat of your car to hold a tablet for your kids to watch, you know. It feels pretty well made. It feels like it's wire in here and then coated with tubing. The plastic is plastic, but it feels like pretty sturdy plastics. Most important, seems to keep my phone in place. I could definitely use it if I'm traveling in the back seat of somebody's car. I think it's pretty well made. Maybe this part could have had a little bit more cushion for the table and for your neck. So do I play this or do I slay this? I'm going to play it. It's just another type of tripod for me. So if you're interested in this product, you can find the Amazon link below. It is not an affiliate link, okay? All right, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Check out Jaxsology.com where you can check out some of my artwork and some of my gear, t-shirts and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, that's it. I shall see you in the next video, and until then, be good, okay? This is what it, almost dropped it. Yeah, that don't work. Insert ball. Well, that didn't work. Apparently, a monkey's a little smarter than Jax. Like, hold on, let me look that up. Darlings, I'm misting.